friends, hello, welcome to Happy Veggies. Long time no see. Hope you are all doing good. From now on, I'll try to post videos continuously. Let us start our long journey with Bun Burger sandwich. Let's get right into our ingredients. So we need bun, grated carrots, grated beetroots, chopped onion, red chutney, save, garlic oil, cheese, and some chopped cilantro leaves. Let's get started. Let's start off by cutting bun. After cutting the bun, we should apply green chutney to this bottom layer. Now we should add our ingredients. Let's start off by adding the grated carrots, some chopped beetroots, now let us add chopped onions, garlic oil gives a really good taste. Let us spread some cheese onto it. Let's add some save. Let's add this chopped coriander leaves. See how colorful it is, guys. Now we should add red chutney to the top layer of the bread. Spread it. If you want some cheese, you can add by your choice. Now let us close this bread. Look how colorful it is and tempting our taste buds, guys. Now the moment you have all been waiting for. Let's taste it. So yummy and tasty, guys. This is a fireless cooking, which means it includes no fire. Even kids can try this at home and enjoy the recipe. Thanks for watching.